each wetlands have different characters. So when we deal with, we have to take different decisions. So before restoration or rehabilitation, we firstly try to understand the problem of the wetlands by management plans, and after understand the problem, we try to solve the problem by action plans. To do this, I offer to wetlands managers to firstly to know their area very well, because if you don't know your area, your characteristics of area, or your geology, your water quality, biology of your area, you cannot decide the right decisions. So area manager first of all must know their area. Secondly, when you try to rehabilitate or restore your area, you have to listen to local people, because local people know the past of the area and how to be in the future of and in the present of the area. So my suggestion to local administrators to communicate with local people.